Good morning, everyone. Today we're starting on a transformative journey into the world of visualization and its powerful connection to attracting abundance. Throughout our lives, we often strive for abundance in various forms, be it wealth, love, health, or peace. Yet the pathway to achieving this can sometimes feel elusive. In this video, we'll explore a practical and effective 3-day formula designed to harness the profound power of visualization to attract abundance swiftly and effectively. This formula is not just about wishful thinking, it's about setting clear intentions and aligning your emotions and actions with your goals. Let's look into understanding abundance and how you can prepare yourself to utilize these visualization techniques starting today. When we talk about abundance, what comes to mind? For many, it might be a life filled with financial wealth, but abundance extends far beyond the confines of monetary gains. It encompasses emotional richness, spiritual fulfillment, robust health, and thriving relationships. It's the profound sense of having plenty, and not just in our bank accounts, but in all aspects of our lives. Abundance is about feeling satisfied, valued, and at peace with where you are and what you have, while still holding aspirations for more. Yet a common barrier to experiencing abundance is entangled in our own misconceptions. Many of us harbor the belief that abundance is a rare treasure reserved for a lucky few. Or perhaps we view it as a finite resource, mistakenly thinking that the success of others diminishes our own chances. These misconceptions not only skew our understanding, but also hinder our capacity to attract abundance. It's crucial to recognize that abundance is not exclusive or limited. It's expansive and universally accessible, and it begins with the right mindset. In cultivating a mindset geared toward abundance, clarity becomes your foundation. It's essential to define what abundance specifically means for you. This is not about vague desires, but clear, tangible goals. Do you seek financial independence, a harmonious family life, spiritual enlightenment, or perhaps a healthy, vibrant body? Identifying these goals clearly is the first step in attracting what you aim for. By knowing what you want, you can direct your mental energy more effectively. Moving on to visualization, you might wonder, how can simply imagining your desires influence reality? Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it is a focused, intentional act that harnesses the power of your mind to influence your environment. The science behind it is quite compelling. Studies in neuroscience have shown that the brain often doesn't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. When you visualize, your brain generates the same neural pathways as it does when you experience the event in reality. This process primes your body to act in ways that align with the visualized scenarios, essentially setting the stage for those scenarios to unfold in real life. Visualization also taps into the law of attraction, a principle suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Through visualization, you're not only thinking about what you want, you're embodying the experience of having it. You're feeling the joy, peace, or satisfaction that comes with your desires. This emotional resonance creates a frequency that attracts similar energies and opportunities towards you. Effective visualization requires more than fleeting thoughts. It demands vividness and consistency. You must clearly picture your goals, imbuing your visions with colors, sounds, and sensations. Imagine the texture of your new office chair, the sound of applause as you take the stage, or the warmth of a loving hug. The more detailed your visualization, the more real it feels, and the more likely you are to act in ways that align with your visions. emotional alignment is key in this process. It's not enough to just see what you want. You need to feel it. The emotions you generate during visualization amplify your ability to manifest your desires. If your visualizations leave you feeling joyful, excited, or grateful, these emotions will fuel your drive and motivation, making you more likely to take proactive steps towards your goals. Before we dive into the specifics of the 3-day challenge, it's essential to prepare both your mind and your environment. Preparation is a critical step often overlooked, yet it sets the tone for your success. Start by choosing a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This space should feel safe and peaceful, a place where you can be alone with your thoughts. The setting you choose is important because it reinforces your commitment to the process and helps minimize distractions. Next, equip yourself with a few tools that might aid your visualization process. These could be as simple as a notebook and pen for jotting down insights and reflections, or perhaps soothing background music to help maintain focus. The goal here is to create an atmosphere that enhances your ability to concentrate and visualize effectively. On the first day of our challenge, your task is to achieve clarity and set your intentions. This day is about defining what abundance specifically means to you and what it looks like in your life. Start by reflecting on the different areas of your life where you seek more abundance. Is it your health, relationships, finances, or perhaps personal growth? Allow yourself to explore these areas deeply and understand what fulfillment looks like in each one. Once you have identified these areas, it's time to set clear and specific intentions. An intention should be precise. And for example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," define what being rich means to you. Does it mean having the freedom to travel the world, the ability to support your loved ones, or perhaps the security of a retirement fund? The clearer you are, the more directed your mind's visualizing power will be. After setting your intentions, engage in a deep visualization session. Close your eyes and picture your life as if you've already achieved these states of abundance. See yourself living out these realities and focus on the details. Visualize not just the end results, but also the steps you took to get there. This process helps your brain to recognize these pathways as achievable and real. End day one with a commitment to these intentions. Reaffirm your dedication to seeing this process through the next 2 days, reminding yourself that each step is moving you closer to your desired outcomes. This commitment reinforces your belief in the possibility of achieving these goals, which is crucial for the manifestation process. We turn our attention to aligning emotions with our visualized goals, which is the focus of day 2. This is a crucial step, as emotions powerfully dictate the energy we emit and attract. Day 2 is all about connecting emotionally to the visions you detailed yesterday. It's not enough to just see what you want. You must feel it deeply as if it were already part of your reality. Begin this day by revisiting the intentions and images you crafted. Sit quietly in your prepared space and bring these visualizations into your mind's eye. As you visualize, start to introduce emotions into the scenario. How does it feel to live in that state of abundance? Joy, peace, excitement. Allow these feelings to wash over you. For instance, if your vision includes financial freedom, imagine the sense of security and the options that this freedom affords you. Feel the relief and gratitude of being financially prosperous. It's important here to let these feelings linger, allowing them to saturate your visualization deeply. The key today is consistency in the emotions you conjure. Emotional fluctuations can send mixed signals to the universe, so maintain a steady, positive emotional state as you visualize. Practice this emotional visualization several times throughout the day, reinforcing the feelings of already having achieved your desires. On the final day of our challenge, focus shifts from internal visualization and emotional alignment to external action. While it might seem that action should be the first step, aligning your mental and emotional state first makes your actions more effective and inspired. Begin day 3 by identifying one small but significant action that you can take today to move closer to your goal. This should be an action that feels inspired by the previous day's visualizations, a step that seems natural and exciting to take. And for example, if your goal is to enhance your well-being, perhaps your action is to enroll in a wellness class or prepare a healthy meal. If it's financial abundance you seek, maybe you consult with a financial planner or research investment options. It's crucial that this action feels like a natural extension of the abundance you've been visualizing. This alignment ensures that your actions are not just random activities, but are purposeful steps that directly contribute to realizing your vision. After deciding on your action, execute it with confidence and awareness of its role in your larger plan. While you take this step, observe any changes in your mindset or life circumstances that occur. Taking inspired action often leads to opportunities and insights that can propel you further on your path to abundance. Remember, each step taken is an integral part of the journey, not just a means to an end. While we conclude the 3-day challenge, reflect on the integration of visualization, emotional alignment, and action in your life. This powerful combination sets a strong foundation for attracting and achieving the abundance you desire. Keep in mind that while the challenge ends, the practices should continue. Regular visualization, sustained emotional engagement, and consistent action are key to manifesting lasting abundance. Thank you for joining me in this 3-day journey toward abundance. Keep nurturing the seeds you've planted during these days and watch as they grow and manifest in forms beyond what you might have imagined. Stay committed, stay inspired, and let your actions continue to reflect the abundance you seek.